Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 1995 115 Evinrude 20-inch freshwater Minnesota motor. It's running about 100 pounds on each cylinder, which is right around what it should be. It's got new plugs, carburetor kits in it, new water pump impeller, and the gear loop's been changed in the lower unit. This one does still have the VRO pump on it, but the VRO has been disconnected, so it's being used basically just for a fuel pump. So this is going to be a motor that you have to mix the fuel and oil with. Be a 50-to-1 ratio on this one. We'll run it up. It's idling a little high. It should be idled down, but it's fine. Just you got to adjust all that basically when you hang it on your boat and get it all rigged anyway. And we do also rigging. Pumping good water. Tilt trim. It does come with a control box. Empty out our tank a little bit there. Back in neutral. Reverse. Turn it off. Give it a final bath before we put it away. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you for watching another one of our videos. Have a great day.